Again, today we are continuing the lesson environmental management. In my previous video, I think 2-3 videos are completed about that lesson. In that lesson, we learn various things. That means what is an ecosystem, which factor affect on ecosystem, then biotic components, which are biotic, which are abiotic components, then what is environment, relationship between environment and ecosystem, importance of a biogeochemical cycle, and the reasons for pollution, what is environmental pollution, radioactive pollution, effect of a radiation, participation of a peoples, then environmental conservation and social responsibility. All these are points we are learned in previous video. Okay, now today laws about environmental conservation, Jadhav-Molay, then environmental conservation and biodiversity, levels of a biodiversity. Biodiversity can be conserved, hotspots of a biodiversity. These points we learn today. Okay, first of all, laws about environmental management. Which laws? First, Forest Conservation Law, Environmental Conservation Act, National Green Tribunal, and Wildlife Protection Act. There are major 3-4 laws. First law, in 1980, Forest Conservation Law performed for first time. That means in 1980, Forest Conservation Law is implemented. What is included in this law? Prohibition on the use of a land which is reserved for the forest conservation. That means if the land is reserved for the forest conservation, must not be used this land. Because of why? Forest Conservation Act 1980. Okay. Then Environmental Conservation Law, which come in 1986. What is inclusion in this law? Control of a pollution and action on the persons or institutes that harm the environment. That means which institute or which person polluted the environment. That means by some industry or hazardous or toxic substance are thrown out on the ground, due to which environmental pollution is increased. At that time there may be a punishment for that. Then National Green Tribunal 2010, effective implementation of environmental related laws. That means a court matter. That means through which court we can get a what we say, suppose any person goes against that Environmental Act or Forest Conservation Act, or any one institute or persons disturbs or polluted the environment. At that time, National Green Tribunal court, that is the court which gives the justice to the person or those people who are survived that pollution. Then Wildlife Protection Act 1972, protection of the wildlife. The wildlife, the wild animals, that means which are rare animals. Clause 49A, Clause 49B and Clause 49C. There are 3 clauses in that law. Which law? Wildlife Protection Act. Protection of the wildlife, complete ban on trading of rare animals. Don't make a trading of rare animals. Complete ban on use of articles prepared from the skin or organ of the wild animals. That means wild animal skin or any organs trading or use for article is banned. Okay, that means hastidanta articles or skin of lion, deer, totally banned. That is the 49B Act. And 49C Act, compulsory disclosure of a stock of artifacts made from the rare wild animal. That means those articles are made up of wild animals are totally banned in 49C Act 1972, which is Wildlife Protection Act. These are major four laws about environmental conservation. Now, Jadhav Molai, pain from the Assam, Jadhav Molai Penan from Assam has made barren into the forest, which now stands on 31,360 acre land. Now this forest is known as a Molai jungle. This is a very interesting thing. That means Jadhav Molai Penan from Assam made a barren land into the forest. That land converted into the forest, now which is known as Molai jungle. It is rightly said that many people come together to destroy the forest, but a single person, if determined, can establish a new forest. We must also have such vision. Living world had a rich biodiversity. This richness of a biodiversity is getting depleted at the very high rate only due to the various activities of the human beings. Okay? That means environmental pollution, that environmental conservation and biodiversity. That means two parts. What is environmental conservation and biodiversity? Environmental pollution affects the living organisms and reduces biodiversity, which make an effect on the biodiversity. Environmental pollution affect on living organisms. First, pollution increases, which will be effect on the living organism, and living organism will be reduce the biodiversity. Okay. Then what is the biodiversity? Richness of living organisms in nature due to the presence of varieties of organisms. Ecosystem genetic variation is called a biodiversity. What is biodiversity? I again repeat it. The richness of living organisms in nature due to the presence of various organisms, ecosystems and genetic variation is called biodiversity. Biodiversity occurs on the following three different levels. That means levels of a biodiversity: genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity and ecosystem biodiversity. There are three types of levels of a biodiversity. First, genetic. Diversity among organisms of same species. The genetic constitution of each organism may be different. That is a genetic diversity. Species diversity. Diversity in the species of organisms but that occur in the nature. Example, various types of a plant, animals and microbes. That is a species diversity. And ecosystem diversity. Many ecosystems are present in the particular regions. Diversity of a different ecosystem. That means natural and artificial ecosystems. That means three levels of the ecosystem. First, genetic diversity, species diversity and ecosystem diversity. That means if we study the environmental management, environmental conservation and biodiversity, what is the biodiversity and how biodiversity is in level working, that means three types of levels of biodiversity. Okay, every ecosystem is different from others. River ecosystem is different, water ecosystem is river ecosystem in rainy season is different, in winter what we say desert section is different. That means ecosystem is different from other. It has own characteristics, animal, plants, microbes and biotic factors. Some green forest patches were conserved in the name of God by the locals and tribal peoples. These are considered scared and hence the name scared crow. These groves are sanctuaries conserved by the society. Scared groves have a special protection because they are conserved as a God's advocate. Such patches of a thick forests are mostly present in the Western Ghat. In India, more than 13,000 scared groves may have been reported. That is a lower level of a biodiversity. Now, the next point is that biodiversity we conserve. Yes, perfection of a rare species. Protection of a rare species, creating national parks and sanctuaries, declaration of a bio reservoirs, thus offering protection to the resident species, conservation of a special species by carrying out projects, conservation activities for all living organisms, strictly following environmental protection rules, recording and maintaining traditional knowledge. How can biodiversity be conserved? That means these are points. Protection of rare animals, creating national park and sanctuaries through which we conserve the biodiversity. Then declaration of a bioreservoirs, thus offering protection of a resident species. That means in that biodiversity so many resident species are present, that means living organisms are there, so protection to the biodiversity. Conservation special species by carrying our projects, making, that means do some rare projects, that means a loyal project, just we know, conserve the loyal. Nowadays, I think approximately thousands of tigers are present in India. Before few years, tigers are not present, but doing a project tiger. In that project, we conserve the loyals. Okay, that is the species of a loyals. In that is, we conserve the biodiversity. Strictly following environmental rules and laws and regulations for protection, recording and maintaining traditional knowledge. That means everywhere, how many lions, how many deers, how many bulls, that means jungly bulls, what we say. Like so many species are present, maintain the record and traditional knowledge. Okay, then there are many state level and national, international level institutes that work for conservation of the environment. Various institutes, various NGOs, various companies they are doing the work for the conservation of environment. Various. Through internet, we can get the information with NGOs, which companies, which state level, that means state level, national level, international levels, companies or institutes work for the conservation of the environment. Now, the next point is that hotspot of a biodiversity. What is hotspot of the biodiversity? Highly sensitive biodiversity spots in the world, that means 34. Areas of the earth were occupied by these hotspots 50.7. That means 15.7% area is occupied by earth. Currently sensitive areas that are destroyed 86%. Presently left over sensitive spots on the earth 2.3%. That means actually present 15.7. But today present leftover sensitive spot on the earth, that is 2.3%. Hotspots have 1,50,000 plant species, which are 50% of the world count. In eastern India, that means east side, India's jungles, 85 species are found out of 135 species of animals. in the eastern area, eastern area, out of 135 species, 85 species are found. That means in the Western Ghats, about 1,500 endemic plant species. That means Western Ghat, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, like this. That means it is the western part of the India. Out of total plant species, the entire world, 50,000 are endemic. Now, the three heritage places of the country. Three heritage places, that is the Western Ghats, Manas Sanctuary and Sundarban Sanctuary. Western Ghats, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala, like this, somewhat in Tamil Nadu. What is the problem? Guarded animals due to the mining industry and search for a natural gas. Impacts habitat of Asiatic lions and wild bisons under threat. Manas Sanctuary. Manas Sanctuary, where is Manas Sanctuary? It is in Assam. Dams and indiscriminate use of water. What impact? Tiger and rhino under threat. And Sundarban Sanctuary, which is present in the West Bengal. Dams, deforestation, excessive fishing, trenches dug. That means what is the impact of these? That means these are problems and these are impacts. Tiger population and overall total environment is seriously challenged. That means three heritage places: Western Ghat, Manas Sanctuary and Sundarban Sanctuary. Western Ghat, that means western part of the India, from Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala and some part of Tamil Nadu. That means Western Ghats. Okay, and then Manas Sanctuary, which is present in Assam, the eastern side, and Sundarban Sanctuary, which is present at West Bengal. What are their problems and what is the impact? In this chart, I try to tell you which problems and what is the impact of that problem. Okay, now the next point is that 22nd May, it is observed as World Biodiversity Day. International Union for Conservation of Nature prepares a red list. A red list contains the name of endangered species from the different countries. The names of endangered species are on pink pages. The name of the previously endangered but presently set species on the green pages. Okay. Some important slogans now. Some important slogans to spread environmental wisdom. Destroying a plant is to destroying everything. That is a slogan. Destroying the plant is a destroying to everything. Practice afforestation to conserve the environment. Forest is the wealth. Environmental protection is a value education. Prudent use of paper is the prevention of a deforestation. Pure air, pure water is key of a healthy life. To practice environmental protection is to develop human society. These are some important slogans. Okay. Now I think all of you knows about laws of environmental conservation, then Molai Jadhav forest, then conservation and biodiversity, levels of the biodiversity, how biodiversity can be conserved, and hotspot of the biodiversity, and heritage places, Western Ghat, Manas Sanctuary and Sundarban Sanctuary, and some important slogans and some biodiversity day, on which day biodiversity diversity day will be celebrated or observed. Okay, I think all of you understand it very well. Okay, here this lesson is finished. Okay, if you have any problem, you may contact me directly. Thank you.